Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful re- real estate admin dashboard template. And also I can customize the any kind of admin dashboard template. So you can contact me anytime via my blog, and here's my blog, therichpost.com. You can see my blog and contact this page. You can contact me via this my email, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And also on my blog, you will get multiple free templates as well. And also, like I said, I can develop and customize any kind of admin dashboard template. And here's a few demo you can see in the Angular, React.js, Next.js, one of the demo you can see there, like image and working video as well. And here's a code snippet as well. So now let's here see the beautiful slide toggle, works well, settings, the country toggle, notification toggle, chat toggle, and dark and night view. See the beautiful dark and night view and US toggle as well. See guys, the beautiful, and I must say I like the dark view as well. See the beautiful content section. See these are beautiful charts. See that's great. See and beautiful charts, property status breakdown, top performing locations, and team insights, top performing agent, smart quick action, and a few more things. See, beautiful chart, total income, new deals today, recent purchase list, upcoming events, and so on. Property listing as well. See, they're just beautiful. Inside carousel, you can see, and the sold property as well. So guys, see the beautiful real estate admin dashboard template. And like I said, I can develop and customize any kind of template. So please contact me as well. And after it, I will come with more demos. And friend, in the end, I must say few things. Please subscribe my channel and please support me. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.